Hello friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. In instrumentation systems and in PLC based automation systems, the most important task is to monitor and control the parameters. Temperature, level, flow and pressure are accurately measured so that process remains safe and efficient. Today we are going to discuss pressure measurement instruments, pressure switch and pressure transmitter. Look friends, pressure switch and pressure transmitters both are used to measure the pressure. So today we will discuss differences between pressure transmitter and pressure switch so that you can easily understand which device is used in which application. So don't skip the video. The first difference is their basic function. If we talk about pressure switch acts only when the pressure crosses a set limit. On cross the set limit, it becomes on or it becomes off. Look friends, its working is just like a switch, but it works on pressure. So it is known as pressure switch. Okay. On the other hand, pressure transmitter is a device that is used to measure pressure and it continuously measures the pressure and it transmits the data to PLC, BCS or any controller. And we can see its data on SCADA or on any indicator. So here is the basic difference that pressure switch tells the limit is crossed. Now do something. What does it mean? It means that at set limit we can start or stop any pump. On reaching this set limit, we can use it for alarm, we can use it for buzzer. And in pressure transmitter, this pressure data is transmitted in real time. Now if we talk about the outputs, then pressure switch output is on or off type, means open and closed type. Here open means NO and close means NC. If we open a pressure switch, we will find these type of connections. In these connections, one is common, one is NO and one is NC. NO means normally open and NC means normally closed. So when pressure crosses a set limit, its contact changes. But pressure transmitter output is analog type and this provides 4 to 20 milliampere current output. Its output is 4 to 20 milliampere. Now if we talk about the working principle, then in pressure transmitter, a diaphragm or piston is used when pressure reaches a set limit. And here you will find the set limit. When pressure crosses the set limit, its contact changes. Contact changes means there will be a change in continuity. If before this set limit, continuity was between common and NC, so after this set limit, continuity will change and it will become between common and NO. But pressure transmitters use strain gauge or capacitive sensing element and their signal is proportional analog signal. Okay, here proportional analog signal means that they provide analog signal proportionally. Suppose we are using a transmitter of 0 to 100 bar. So this transmitter will provide 4 milliampere at 0 bar and 20 milliampere at 100 bar. And in between 0 and 100 bar, this transmitter will provide 4 to 20 milliampere signal proportionally. Look friends, if you want PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Now if we talk about the adjustability, then we can manually adjust the pressure switch. Okay. From here, you can manually adjust its set point. You can increase it or you can decrease it according to your application. In pressure transmitter, we use a hard communicator. And from hard communicator, we can calibrate the transmitter and we can also change other functions of transmitter. Now, if we talk about the applications, here pressure switch is used for safety interlocks, alarms, pumps and compressor control. And pressure transmitter is used for process control and monitoring. Look friends, if we are using control valve, then we will use pressure transmitter for monitoring and control. Because with control valve, we will monitor the pressure in real time. So, this transmitter will provide the data in real time. Now, here is a comparison table between pressure switch and pressure transmitter. So, please note it down. This comparison table is very important for you. But first comparison is output. Its output is on and off type and its signal is digital signal. Okay. And pressure transmitter output is continuous signal and it is analog signal. So it is the basic difference. Next is accuracy. Its accuracy is moderate and its accuracy is high. If we talk about response time, it is fast trigger and pressure transmitter provides real time and continuous signal. If we talk about wiring, we will use simple 2-wire connection for pressure switch. The one wire will connected in common terminal and the another wire will connected in NO or NC terminal. In pressure transmitter, wiring is complex and we will use 4 to 20 milliampere current loop for pressure transmitter. If we talk about the cost, pressure switch cost is low and pressure transmitter cost is higher in comparison to pressure switch. So that was our video. I think it is clear to you where you will use pressure switch or where you will use pressure transmitter. For more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching the video.